front of me is POCO F6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner, and to add any video, click on it here. You can also add it by clicking on folders, look for it here and tap on it. To add an audio file though, you need to select this plus next to the camera icon. Select Files, tap on Audio at the top to look for your file, select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to find it. Either way, now to add it, just hold it and click Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!